Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline. And what I have for you here today, in my opinion, is the ultimate Stormtrooper makeover. It's a very popular thing to go ahead and take a white Tesla and add a bunch of black accents to it, hence Stormtrooper, right? We're all Star Wars fans, but I think this one is the best, and here's why. Starting with a pearl white performance dual motor Model 3, we went ahead and did a chrome delete, as you can see, including full side mirrors, all the markers, front and rear tees, but not with wrap this time. We actually painted it because this customer wanted perfection. And while there's nothing wrong with doing chrome delete with film, there's nothing better than paint. So the chrome delete is absolutely perfect. We even did the door handles in gloss black, and then we had to change the wheels. And we went ahead with our limited edition Falcon wheels, 20-inch staggered. That means they're a little bit wider in the rear than they are in the front. It's the proper fitment for a Tesla Model 3 and looks a lot nicer than that square fitment. By the way, when Tesla unveiled the Model 3 to the world, they showed it in a staggered fitment, but haven't brought that to market just yet. I feel like they will in the future. We tinted the windows using 3M Crystalline film. That's the best film in the industry. It will actually cool the interior by up to 15 degrees while giving you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays. Moving on to the back of the vehicle, we installed our executive trunk wing spoiler, and it's actually made out of carbon fiber, but we wanted to keep with that black and white theme, so we actually painted it gloss black. Really cool. This is something that we've never done before. I love the way it looks. And we also continued with this theme a little bit more on the inside. So let's go inside and I'll show you what we did. So the interior of the Model 3 comes with a gloss kind of piano black finish for the center console, cup holder area, and these two flip doors. And that looks really cool. And when you get a black interior like this car has, the dash decor is an open pore wood design that some people love it and some people don't. And the owner of this car absolutely did not like it. We took our carbon fiber dash and actually painted it gloss shiny piano black to match the gloss black trim on the outside and tie in with what's already here on the inside. So another first for us. I love the way it came out. Super cool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really like this project. We're proud of it. Would love to hear more of your comments and thoughts below. And also please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. A lot of more builds coming your way soon.